I have chosen PowerPoint to use as my assistive technology tool. This is a piece of software that's fairly easy to obtain, and the best part is it's completely free to download and use. To acquire the software, you simply search on the internet for PowerPoint presentation, although most computers usually already have it downloaded and installed for you. PowerPoint is commonly used as a presentation tool for teachers and students. The two different ways I would use it for my students is to present new material or just to review material. The second would be for the students to physically use themselves. So I have it up here as a main screen. You can choose a blank presentation or more themes, and as you go into each one, there becomes more and more and more that you can use. But for right now, we're going to go into gallery. And as you go into each different theme, there's going to be options you can choose from. But we're just going to stick with the main one and click create. Up here is your toolbar where you can manipulate your presentation as much as you want. So we're going to start with the teaching a lesson, or more so reviewing a lesson. So we're going to go for mathematics and reviewing. And when you're done with the first one, you go up to insert here. It says new slide. It automatically creates a new slide for you, and you can continue to do it. In this box, you can add many different areas that you would like. But we're going to start here with simple math. And if you're helping your students to review, 2 plus 2, let's just say 2 plus 2 equals what? And then 2 plus 2 equals 4. And here, you probably don't want your students to see the second one first. So we're going to go up to animation here. Animation styles, there's plenty of them that are really cool you can choose from, but we're just going to click an easy one. That's up here. These ones here, these numbers show you on every click of what comes up first. So if you click first, only this one will come up. And then that'll give your students time to think about what the answer is, which here is 4, and you can click the second time to show them. And over here is a little star that shows you what slide or whatever has animation, so you know for you of like what is coming up. And then if we go back to home and click new slide, we are going to now do the physical use for the student. So if a student, needs a list or steps on how to, do things to be able to get somewhere, let's just say we're going outside. So we're just going to put outside steps. So we're just going to do step 1. And this one, let's just automatically assume that they have their shoes off. So we're going to do put on snow pants, because it's the middle of winter, you need your snow pants. And then if you want to make it easier and have more fun, you can do an insert up here. Go to insert, images, online pictures, and put in snow pants. There's many different options, but we're just going to choose the easiest one for right now. It may come out pretty big, but that's okay. You can decrease it and you can make it into different design ideas that you would want, but we're not going to worry about that right now. So this is kind of what you can do. You can make it smaller, and then if you go up here again to insert, home, I don't know why I keep forgetting that, you go to new slide, and then you can add the second step. So let's just say step 2, put on jacket. You can even add the step 2 and right here is click to add title if you want, but that's up to you. And then you can do a put on jacket as well, picture. So if we do insert, images, online, jacket, you can do that one. Just click a random photo if you want to, and then may come out small, may come out big. Either way, it's right there. So then you can see that you can do the review instructions right here, and you can have them pop up when you want to, or you can do steps and then have the student come up and actually be pressing on the slides themselves to be like, okay, I have this slide done, what is next? And that way they know of what to expect, and maybe, actually not maybe, then that way it'll help them become more independent.